Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a gorgeous little Burberry. So this is the Burberry Macken Crossbody, and it's in this lovely kind of chestnut coloured leather, as well as that super iconic, instantly recognisable Burberry check there as well. So we've got one shoulder strap, that's a leather strap, and you can see that it is adjustable. We've got that little buckle there. So we have got it on the shortest setting at the moment, but you can see there is quite a few more options to make it longer. So if you do prefer a longer strap, you definitely have that option there. And then on the back, we've got one zipped pocket just here, so that still works really nice and smoothly. And then we've just got one flat pocket along the back of the bag there. And then we've got a flap closure, and that has a little clip lock fasten. So you just push that clip in like that, and then that unlocks there, and you can just pop that open. And then we've got a lovely kind of burgundy coloured suede lining, which is really soft. And then we've got leather and fabric on that interior too. So we've got two sections. We've got one section here, and that has a flat pocket at the back. And then we've got one more section in the front as well. So that is the features of this bag. The condition we have called the exterior and the interior good. There's no kind of standout set signs of wear for me to show you, but you can just tell that it has been well loved in a previous life. So you can see that there's a little bit of puckering on that flap closure, and there's just small little signs of use and of wear. So tiny little scratches on that flap closure. A little bit of wear to the corners, but actually not a lot to those corners. They're still in quite a nice condition. So you can see there's just a little bit there and a little bit just here as well. So that is why I've called that exterior good. There's just one little mark on that Burberry Nova check fabric as well. So that's why I've called that exterior good, because it still does look very gorgeous. The interior we called good, mostly for this suede flap, the lining on this flap closure. You can see there's quite a few marks, signs of wear, signs where it's been sat kind of on the other leather sections, and just a little bit of fraying and bobbling, but only a small amount on that suede. And then on the very interior, there's actually quite minimal signs of use. There's little kind of marks, just like that one, on that fabric, but again, very small and hardly noticeable in there. So that is why I've called that interior good. The hardware we've called good, fair. That's because it's got that lovely gold tone, you can see especially on that zip there. On this clip lock, you can see it has faded quite a bit, especially along those edges of that little clip lock. So that is why I've called that hardware fair. But again, it is in a really gorgeous condition, and you can tell that it's had a pre-loved life, which just gives it a little bit more character. The bag comes with just the Burberry dust bag to keep it protected. And if you'd like to know the exact measurements for this Macken crossbody, go to the link in the description below. You'll find the measurements on there, and you'll find a few more details about this bag on there. That is also the link to shop if you're interested in buying. If you do click that link and it doesn't take you to this bag, and it just takes you to our generic product page, where you'll find all our products, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but you have a few options. You can have a browse through all of our other beautiful Armcandy, because we have got so much on there for you. So make sure you do have a look at all of our other gorgeous pieces. But if it was one like this in particular you were looking out for, what you can do is you can send us over an email or fill out the contact us form, which you'll find on our website. Let us know that you love this. We'll get you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and we can hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website, but I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So I can pop that strap on my shoulder just like that, and it sits at a really nice height, or I can pop it crossbody as well. And this strap is really nice and slim, and it's a really lightweight bag as well, so it's super comfortable to wear. And again, this is on the shortest setting at the minute, so if you do prefer a longer strap, you definitely do have that option. And the cool thing with this strap as well is it is actually removable. So let me just show you that on the inside. You can see if I undo that buckle, which I'll just do for you. So pull it all the way through, and then you can just undo it like this, and that just gets pulled through there. that just slides all the way through, and then you can see that will just slide really easily out of those loops there. And then you can take that strap off completely, pop that to the side, and because it's really lovely and nice and lightweight, nice and slim as well, you've actually got a really cute little envelope clutch that you could use it like that as a little clutch as well, which is really sweet. And I just think that chestnut leather with that Burberry check just looks super classic. Really, really lovely. So if you are looking for a gorgeous bag like this one, go to the link in the description below and sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website. So if you scroll to the bottom of any page, you'll find a little box that you can pop your email in. Pop your email in there and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page while you're on there. If you're interested in selling any of your Armcandy, we'd love to see what you've got. So have a read through that process. Like this video while you're here, and don't forget to also subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags that we have to show you. And we'll be back very soon with some more.